Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. If you like this content, please subscribe. Click the thumbs up button. Someone had a question, and I'm going to read the question and kind of do a video response so you can see kind of what my viewpoint is of the future. I'm probably not as drastic as a lot of people are, but I am prepared in case it does get drastic. But my viewpoint isn't that we're just going to go into some hyperinflation. That's not my viewpoint. So someone asked, and I'll read the question here. I call it the other side. The other side of inflation and all these other things. So I'll read the question and I'll go over it and respond because I think it tells a lot about kind of me and why I invest in all these other things. So it's called The Other Side. And the question is, Andy, what if you pitch us the aftermath? So let's say someone listened closely to you and accumulated thousands of ounces of silver and hundreds of ounces of platinum, and the prices rocket. Then what? Does one sell into an impoverished digital dollar world? Does one sell it to amass physical businesses and physical industries, farmland, mines, income property, etc.? Or does one keep it and use it as collateral to purchase things or to lend digidollar Fed coins? So that's the question. It's a great question. I've thought about this quite a bit in my life. So the answer. This channel provides ways to grow purchasing power. That's what the goal is. That is what increases your wealth. What it's going to do is it's going to provide you with opportunities. It's going to provide your family and children with more opportunities than what you had before. It can lead to better retirement. Perhaps you can spend your time differently in life. You can acquire items you always wanted. You don't have to work a job that you don't want to work. Protects and secures generations of your family and genetics. And my question is this the ultimate long game here, is to really protect and secure generations of your family and genetics? I don't know. It's going to be different for different people. So the future here. I think the future won't be as different as everyone worries about. I don't think we're going to have a hyperinflation. I think we will have above average inflation like the 1970s. Unless the government goes full stupid. And you know what? They're not looking too bright. They are printing lots of money. So it could have quite bad inflation. But we'll see. I think society will continue to transform into something different. And what that different kind of looks like: working from home, different types of jobs. There's going to be a lot of obsolescence of jobs and high turnover of jobs. And this world, you got to keep in mind, is at the fingertips of high IQ industrious people. They're going to come in here and they're going to make a buttload of money. And they're going to do it very quickly. Because it's the world's set up for them. This isn't someone, if you have a low IQ, I feel for you, man. I do. It's going to be a hard future. I would be very afraid of the world if I had a very low IQ. And it's not, I'm not here to be mean. It's just these jobs, they're all coming in and they require more and more intelligence. They're demanding higher IQs. And the physical labor is getting sucked out of society. More wealth will be transferred to those who are brilliant and come up with advanced solutions. And we're seeing that. We're seeing people with very good ideas develop companies and just absolutely destroy it in very short periods of time. I think the world's going to become more complicated, but it won't necessarily be better for the humans living in it. I think pollution will increase, and I'm not talking about carbon dioxide. I'm talking about chemicals in the ground for growing food, which could lead to more cancers. The world will get stretched further than ever to support ever-growing populations, and I think we're gonna rate this world of what it's got in terms of minerals, in terms of nutrition, whatever that the soil can bear. We're gonna bear it and try to figure out how to get it. So, conclusion here. Perhaps we all need to unite together to create a future that we want, that is sustainable. This channel can provide the means for us to prosper financially and also help each other out if we do, quote, win in the markets. You know, and another thing to look at is, you know, life has no purpose without meaning. You know, where's the meaning in your life? You know, do you have a plan in your life? All good questions. And I'll respond that with mine. You know, my meaning is I have kids, and their well-being and future is always in the forefront of my mind. I'm always thinking about that. So I'm trying to set up, and I want to secure their financial future in a more energy scarce world. Because I brought them into this world, it should be my responsibility to help them be successful in their life. You know, so I'm acquiring assets around the nation for their future, so my genetics can prosper even when I'm long gone. I also like playing the investment game. I like it. It provides me a challenge, and it's fun playing. So that's another reason I do this. And also, I want to help others secure their future through this channel. I like helping people. I like training. I like teaching. I like mentoring. I like doing that stuff. So those are the three things that I kind of find meaning in doing this. And if I set this up properly, we should all prosper on the backside after this inflationary kind of commodities boom happens. So, you know, I'm here to help, here to mentor. If you guys have comments, if you have questions, you know, leave them, ask. You know, I do lots of stuff in this world, and it's a lot of fun. So if you have questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll probably answer, and maybe I'll answer with a video. So if you like this video, if you like this content, please subscribe, comment, and join the channel. You know, thanks for listening.